Hello everyone, so the driver settings app is finally arriving for the Tiggo 8 and the 7, and in fact it is coming to all Chery models. So you have the driver settings app right here. Now how do you go about using it? You start by adding a new profile. Let's call it, for example, Alex. Choose an icon, add, and then we basically have Alex's settings here. Let's also add Alex's wife. Ilanit, are you there? Alex here can select all the options he wants specifically for his profile. For example, Alex likes to drive in normal mode. You can disable the speed limit alert, the driver monitoring system alert, and the lane departure warning, though I recommend keeping that one on, but set to vibration. You can disable child detection, the one that beeps. Both of these can definitely be disabled, and it's recommended to do so. I don't recommend touching these. Regardless, and this is for your safety, you can choose what will be automatically active for every drive. For example, you can set it to smart. For those of you with seat heating, you are able to select your preferred level of intensity. Furthermore, you have the option to customize the duration of the heating cycle. Once you enter the vehicle, the seat will automatically begin to warm up for the exact number of minutes that you have specified. If your vehicle is equipped with seat memory, you can select your profile, adjust the seat to your preference, and then press the update button. Ilanit is also able to perform the exact same procedure for herself, or moving to her seat, it's updating, then 2 fingers. Presto, by selecting Ilanit, the seat will adjust to Ilanit and her personal settings. For Alex, and then all the settings will adjust to exactly what Alex has chosen. Here are some handy shortcuts. Swipe up with 4 fingers to open the task manager. That makes 3 fingers down. 3 fingers control the AC, 3 fingers to the right control the AC intensity, and of course you can use 2 fingers to swipe down and select which mode you want while driving. You can set it to daytime mode or smart mode while driving. Of course you have an app store here from which you can download almost any app. Waze, Spotify, YouTube, you can download. Actually, any app you want, you can download and use on the multimedia system. I don't recommend driving and watching YouTube at the same time. People often ask about the volume levels, and generally the applications that you install onto the multimedia system tend to sound louder than the standard applications.